And what we do, we provide flexible Industry 4.0 solutions for manufacturing challenges in the pharmaceutical sector. So these are some of the issues faced by the pharma industry: lack of real-time data and overview, inaccurate data collection on paper, productivity KPIs, lacking concrete issues classifications, and low agility, which is compensated through higher inventories. Currently, pharma has two bad options. One of them are the classical industrial IoT solutions, which mainly collect very basic data, but you are unable to validate those kind of systems according to the regulations in pharma. Or are the old MES system, manufacturing execution systems, rebranded as Industry 4.0. But the challenges with these systems is that are extremely hard to use by the operator. It's like you need a PhD for the operator to work with them. And also, they are very hard to validate and complex to install and to configure. So our solution provides like a light MES combined with shop floor management and visual management of the shop floor, big data analytics, and how it works. So we get data in real time from machines in the industry. Then we bridge it with people knowledge through guided UI flows depending on the process. And like this, we can eliminate the paper required in heavy regulatory compliant industries and build the GMP reports in the end. We use this data afterwards for shop floor management, analytics, and predictive KPIs. And all the data gathered from the different areas in production, then we use it to plan production in real time based on all kinds of particularities. Sorry. Now, I would like you to imagine that you are in an airplane with a pilot that is blindfolded. How would you feel? That is the situation in many manufacturing organizations that don't have a clear picture of what is going on and where you have losses and what is happening during the production process. So basically what we offer them is like a modern version of an airplane cockpit, and our motto is don't fly blind. So some of our customers are in pharma, also in EMS, and also in automotive. These are some of our partners, pharma integrators, universities, and so on. And about pharma, we mainly dealing with solid drugs packaging, optical inspection of vials, GMP validated reports, productivity monitoring, compliances, and so on. Our focus is on large manufacturing organizations, business model to commission the system per line with perpetual maintenance updates program, using subscription also, and do training, change management, GMP validation, and so on. So some of the things that we've also achieved is to get Horizon 2020 funds together with an automotive company from Italy and Polytechnics of Torino and University of Lund. Also we've took the second place in Startarium last year. We've been part of Bring Poland. And this is a bit about our presence with clients, partners, and offices. A bit about the team. We are two founders who have experience in leading software and hardware development teams in the past. Also, we are 9 people in total, with 7 hardware and software engineers. We have 2 mentors, Jens, who's VP of Danfoss, Paul Pop, who's the Director of Nordic IoT Hub, and also we work with some other lean and change management consultants. And a bit about the turnover. Last year was 130,000 euro. We hope to double this year. And what we are looking for, so far we've been bootstrapping. Now we are looking for some investment, some colleagues in sales and marketing, and also some partners. Thank you very much.
I would like to understand how much of your revenue stream is recurrent, because from what you presented, it looks like it's just an initial setup fee, and I'm very curious about after installment, how much money can you generate out of the maintenance of some kind of...
Right now, Right now, it's only one company that it's on subscription completely. We did it on purpose, not having on subscription the companies in the beginning, because we could finance more of our activity by having them to pay upfront. And anyway, we are charging like 90% of the value of the system in updates and maintenance. So even if we sell upfront, 19% of the value of the system in yearly in maintenance and updates. Was it clear, the answer, or?
Not quite.
How can I make it more clear?
You always look at clients, you hope to have a client for, I don't know, 10, 20 years or so. So the question is, from an investor perspective, we need to know how much money can a client generate over a certain period of time.
A lot more than in the beginning. I can tell you why. For example, in a pharma company, now we start mainly with the packaging lines. But you have several other processes. Then you have real-time planning of production. Then you have some other upsells that you can do. This is on one side, and always it comes that in 5 years they pay again the value of the system that they pay initially by the subscription. So, but we can discuss in more details afterwards, and I can explain.
Does your system integrate in any way with existing ERPs or?
Definitely, it's between ERPs and the production floor. So we integrate with SAP and other ERPs. Exactly, we take the production orders and then we take care of the execution of the production.
So you say you are focusing on pharmaceutical industry, right? What is approximately the market value? I mean, in production lines, or because you denominated your potential revenue in production lines. So how many production lines are in Europe, for instance? You know?
It's a good question. I don't know. The honest answer is I don't know. We just know that, for example, one large pharmaceutical company has like 80 plants with like 10 production lines, at least in per factory, then 800 lines. So one big pharmaceutical company, 800 lines, we multiply by 12,000.
I can add on that there are about 80,000 pharma plants worldwide registered with the FDA. So like 80,000 times 5.
And besides pharma, which industry would you be able to cover?
We could be able to cosmetics and also some food processing where you need special regulations. And we are already covering EMS and automotive suppliers, but it's not our main focus to scale the business. So it's just because they came to us and they said we want a solution, and then we delivered, but it's not our main focus to scale worldwide.
Since you mentioned that you're already looking for investment, I think you should know the market size and who your competitors are. You can say about that. I think also you require a good question on the market side.
Are several competitors. That's what I said with the options in the beginning. Are plenty of industrial IoT solutions. Even in Romania are like at least 5 or 6. Are hundreds and hundreds of IoT solutions from the big players, from small startups and so on. But the problem with them is that you cannot validate them. Then you have the MES systems. Again, are many producers, including SAP, including Microsoft, and so on. But still, the thing is, how easy is to install, which is the approach, how easy you can make them compliant, and like more than 90% of the pharma industry is not digitalized.
Okay, so there's nobody else doing exactly what you're doing?
Similar, yes. Exactly not.
Can you give me a name?
As I said, SAP, for example, is doing something similar.
All right.
But at a different price, in using a different approach.
All right.
Any other question?
Okay, I'm sure that they will come, so let's give another round of applause.